Ready, start. This appeal under Section 62 of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016, hereinafter referred to as the IBC, is against a judgment and order dated 25th August 2021, passed by the National Company Law Appellate Tribunal (NCLAT), dismissing the company appeal (80) insolvency number 191 of 2021 filed by the appellant, against an order dated 19th February 2021, passed by the adjudicating authority National Company Law Tribunal, NCLT, Mumbai bench, admitting a company petition CP (IB) number 1220/MB/2020 filed by the respondent number 1 Anand Rathi Global Finance Limited as financial creditor, for initiation of the corporate insolvency resolution process (CIRP) of Messrs Doshi Holdings Private Limited, hereinafter referred to as Doshi Holdings, under Section 7 of the IBC. Stop. The appellant is suspended director of Doshi Holdings. Stop. Para. The respondent number 1, a non-banking financial company, hereinafter referred to as the financial creditor, disbursed loan to the tune of rupees 6 crores to Messrs Premier Limited, hereinafter referred to as Premier, under 3 separate loan pledge agreements, dated 29th June 2015, 4th May 2016 and 5th October 2016 respectively. Stop. According to the appellant, Doshi Holdings pledged shares held by it in Premier, in favor of the financial creditor by way of security for the loan. Stop. Para. According to the appellant, the loan pledge agreements contemplated 2 distinct transactions under one document, that is grant of loan to Premier and creation of pledge by Doshi Holdings of securities held by the Doshi Holdings in Premier. Stop. Para. Premier failed to make repayments in terms of the loan pledge agreements. Stop. The financial creditor, therefore, called upon Premier to repay its outstanding dues of rupees 7 crore 64 lakh 60,360 on diverse dates between 28th June 2019 and 10th February 2020. Stop. By a communication dated 14th February 2020, a financial creditor called upon Premier and Doshi Holdings, also described as the borrower under the loan pledge agreements, to pay the entire outstanding loan amount. Stop. By a letter dated 19th February 2020, Premier admitted and acknowledged its ability and liability to pay its outstanding dues to the financial creditor under the loan pledge agreements, but stated that it could not pay the same on account of genuine difficulty. Stop. On 21st September 2020, the financial creditor filed a petition under Section 7 of the IBC, being CP (IB number 1224/MB/2020) for initiation of CIRP against Premier for default in repayment of rupees 8 crore 35 lakh 25,398. Stop. Para. On the same day, the financial creditor also filed a petition against Doshi Holdings under Section 7 of the IBC for initiation of CIRP in respect of the same claim of rupees 8 crore 35 lakh 25,398 based on the same loan documents.